In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a shortcut for a file on your computer, which can be a real time saver when you're managing your digital workspace. Creating a shortcut is a handy way to access your files quickly without having to navigate through your entire file directory every time you need them. Let's dive right in and make your computer usage a bit more efficient. To start, you'll need to locate the specific file for which you want to create a shortcut. This is usually a file that you use quite often, or perhaps it's buried deep in your folder structure, making it somewhat difficult to access frequently. Once you've found the file, go ahead and right-click on it. This simple action will open a context menu that provides you with various options related to managing the file. From this menu, you'll want to look for an option labeled Organize. Go ahead and click on that to proceed. The Organize feature is designed to streamline how you manage files and folders, making it easier for you to keep your digital workspace sorted. Once you've clicked Organize, you'll see an option that says Add Shortcut. This is the feature that will allow you to create a convenient link to your file. Clicking on Add Shortcut tells your computer that you want to create a secondary access point for your file without moving it from its original location. Now, you'll be prompted to select a destination for your shortcut. Consider the folders you use most often. Placing your shortcut in an easily accessible folder can save you time searching for it in the future. Some people prefer to keep shortcuts on their desktop so they're readily accessible as soon as they log in. Others might have a dedicated folder for shortcuts to keep things tidy. Go ahead and choose the folder where you want the shortcut to appear. Once you've picked a location, go ahead and click Add. By clicking this, you're finalizing the creation of your shortcut. Instantly, you'll find the shortcut has been added to your selected folder. Now, anytime you need to access that particular file, you can simply go to the folder where the shortcut is located and double-click on it. The beauty of using shortcuts is that they allow you to keep your original files neatly organized while still having quick access to them whenever you need. The shortcut you've created will take you directly to the file without the hassle of navigating through multiple folders each time. So there you have it. You've now streamlined your workflow, making file access more convenient and efficient. Enjoy the time you'll save with this little trick, and thanks for tuning in.